Good afternoon, my name is Tonny Bimpong. I'm here from Hacienda Ford, and today I'm going to show you our all-new design 2020 Ford Escape. So the first neat feature about this vehicle is our remote start. And in order to do that, all you have to do, you click the lock button once, and then click the ×2 button twice. So I'm going to show you guys under the hood. Right here we have a 1.5 EcoBoost engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And I want you guys to pay a little attention to how Ford likes to maintain their vehicles. They like to use the clear containers just so that anyone that's looking at the vehicle can understand and know where the fluid level is. They also have all of their parts neatly arranged so that there's ease of access whenever you need to add oil, add water fluid, or anything to your vehicle. Ford likes to make sure that their customers can rest assured that their vehicles are gonna last them for the duration of their use. So in here they put an aluminum alloy engine. The purpose of aluminum alloy engine that it dissipates heat so that you won't have problems with your engine overheating or going bad on you. Another feature they put to help preserve the life of your engine is this honeycomb grill. This honeycomb grill helps ventilate air to the engine so that the more air in the engine is going to keep the engine cooler and working for you throughout a longer ride. On the front two doors of the 2020 Ford Escape, you do have a sensor right here. And this sensor is so you can have a keyless entry. Whether the key be in your pocket or for ladies in your purse, all you have to do is have the key there, just touch this, and now your door's open. As you come inside, you see we have our seat right here. And our seat here, it promotes comfortability. Right here, as you can tell by the shape, it supports your lumbar spine. So when you're sitting there, you're sitting straight up and you're sitting comfortable. It has the support right here so that your bottom half of your body is not moving from side to side. It has you in a fixated position. Now we have the back row. I like the back row because you can adjust it to however you feel is comfortable. You can recline the seats as well as adjust it forward and back. Accompanied with the remote start, you do have an automatic lift gate. All you have to do is press the remote twice where the trunk is, and it opens up. And the inside of your trunk, you do have a spare tire. Another great feature about your 2020 Ford Escape is your Panoramic Vista roof. Panoramic Vista roof is better than the average sunroof because it has about two panels on it. Another safety feature this vehicle has is your lane departure. In order to activate your lane departure, you click this button right here. When you're driving and the vehicle can see the clear lines in front of you, it's going to activate your lane departure. So if you started to sway outside of a lane, the vehicle will then turn the steering wheel and it'll put you right back in the lane. An additional safety feature is your forward emergency braking. Now what the forward emergency braking is when you're driving and it senses a vehicle in front of you, it will give you 3 progressive warnings. First, a beep. The second is going to beep and gently apply the brakes. And then the third warning is going to fully apply the brakes so it can help you avoid that collision. That feature is very important, especially for the people that sometimes like to look at their phone when they drive. My favorite safety feature is your blind spot monitoring. Your blind spot monitoring monitors vehicles that are on your blind spot. So instead of you having to look this way and that way, breaking your neck to check the vehicle there, you have a sensor right here. It lights up when the vehicle's at your blind spot. And if you start to turn, it will apply the brakes on the opposite side of the vehicle so that you do not collide with that vehicle. The neat feature that this vehicle provides is your braking assist. And I personally like this feature because once I turn it on and I'm driving, let's say I stop at a red light, and instead of keeping my foot pressed on the brake, I could just easily let go of the brake and my vehicle won't move.